Meet the Expert, a knowledge-sharing initiative of your knowledge partner, the Developing Bangladesh. We discuss on trade, investment, commerce, education, skills, economic development, global peace and prosperity, etc. issues. If you are interested to these issues, please subscribe to the channel. Developing Bangladesh, your knowledge partner, please subscribe now.
Have something called VIN number. Every car has a VIN number. So if I put the papers of the car with VIN number on the blockchain and say that I am the owner of this car, and this is all of the information that has. You come and you want to buy my car. So I will do a smart contract and tell you, when you pay me $10,000 using Ethereum, if they arrive into my wallet, the ownership of that paper will be transferred to you. So now you transfer me $10,000, and then the ownership of this paper can be transferred to you on the blockchain. So here we are removing lawyers, we're removing notaries, we're removing everything. Some of you will ask me, but this is not official. At this point of time, it is not, of course. But on a digital aspect, yes, it has some official things, because we are in a digital world, we can prove it on the blockchain. But where is the circle missing is later on, the governments will start jumping. They will put the house deeds on a blockchain and NFT, where you can, for example, I told you that Dubai has created their 2021. If we do an interface between Ethereum smart contracts and Dubai, for example, blockchain applications, where we can write it on their own databases, then it will become official. That is possible. Yes, it is possible. So now you can have a 360 degrees without zero human interface. That's an NFT. But NFT in the sense of, that's the future of NFT. This is what I'm telling you. The future of NFTs is, tickets to attend concerts, flight tickets, you name them, they will be written on NFT, proving that those tickets are yours based on your wallet. Unfortunately, today, again, it was more about the hype of, selling photos, but it's not about the photos. It was about the value that they give you. So do you want an NFT where you pay maybe $600,000 if you are multimillionaire? Personally, I don't need it. I don't want it. But some people would want it. Why? Because you're not getting the photo for the photo. You're getting the photo as a ticket access to a club. What is that club? For example, Bored Ape Yacht Club, which is the #1 project on the NFT. But what do they give you? Access to Eminem, the music rapper. Access to Paris Hilton. They will be throwing mind games, mind meetings, different meetings, different parties, different, they will be giving you lands. They will be giving you a lot of things. Do you want yourself to be allocated with Eminem? Do you want to meet Eminem, for example? Maybe you'll find another project with, I don't know, who's your favorite star, So they are giving you value. So the only way today, it was proven to be the best way, is using NFTs. But later on, as I've mentioned, it will be everything, buying your flights, your tickets, and so on and so on.
So thank you. Thank you very much. And my next question to you, you were discussing about the decentralized finance. So currently,
Yes.
we know we have a bank or some government or private bank. We deposit money over there in an account. So we are secure that, yes, this bank authority or the government will pay me back. It is secure. So what about the decentralized finance? How this finance will be generated? Who will be the authority to monitor it, to regulate it, and how it will work? So could you please explain?
This is especially your question is very valid, especially now with what happened with lastly with Sam and FPX, because we are witnessing a whole new evolution in this space, and then now we are afraid of losing our our money because we trusted something called decentralized exchanges, but they tend up to be centralized. And then, you know, I don't want to name many, but now we're running mostly on one global decentralized exchange, but I don't think they are decentralized. But anyway, the idea is that we can run on the idea is we can run, that was Satoshi's vision, we can run on decentralized blockchain where our money is actually available on and cannot be shut down. That is why the Bitcoin, until today, regardless of the price, but the own having Bitcoin cannot be controlled, cannot be shut down if you have it in the right wallet. If you have it to a certain point wallet, then you have a problem. For example, Binance, if Binance now, because most of the people are on Binance, if Binance shut down, what will happen to your money, even if it's Bitcoin? Because it's currently somehow owned by you, but it's not, it's on the exchange. Your keys and private keys are on the exchange. You don't own your keys. And one thing we say for always, not your keys, not your money. What does that mean? Take them off the centralized exchange, even if they claim they are decentralized. Have a hardware wallet, have a software wallet, and write the codes very carefully, you don't lose them. Then your money is secure. Now, governments has jumped in, of course. They wanna, regulate more. They don't want another FTX to happen because it is very painful. So now you started seeing also companies such as Binance, Coinbase, and so on, proof of ownership of Bitcoin, of ownership of the money they claim they have. So they brought companies to audit. Do they really have it? Or like Sam, he played with the money, but he showed people something else. So this is where regulation is needed, even though that will not help if something, or we're talking about a black swan again, because that was a black swan. We didn't know that this could happen, and it happened. And in cryptocurrencies and so on, it's very fast, those black swans to happen versus traditional. But that said, you know, the stock market, the traditional stock market, who is highly regulated, in the last 3 months, they lost $1.6 trillion, where the cryptocurrencies lost $400 billion. But look at the amount of advertising they're doing, bad advertising for the cryptocurrencies versus the regulated, fully regulated stock market. So there's a disbalance here.
Sir, thank you. Thank you very much. Finally, you were describing about the Metaverse strategy, Dubai Metaverse strategy. So could you please explain a little bit more about this strategy? Because I would like to share one strategy. In Bangladesh, in 2009, before 2009, we were in a completely, this is not digital, I mean analog age. But in 2009, the government of Bangladesh decided to transform Bangladesh into digital Bangladesh. So they have many, controversy, but without any controversy, it is proven that digitalization of government services, digitalization of, public services can get rid of many things, corruption, bribery, and many things. If the digital system, let it run completely digital without any human interaction, then obviously harassment of the service seeker is reducing. So now, but due to many things, bureaucrats are not till ready to provide 100% digital services because it hampers many things, their prestige, their control, and so many things.
There's still fighting corruption.
Yeah. So digitalization can fight corruption and many things. So I think this Dubai Metaverse strategy is something more than digitalization, because Dubai is already digitalized. So, so in this digitalized society, I think they are going to create some extra avenue, as you said, the products for Web 3.0. So could you please define a little bit about Dubai Metaverse strategy?
Sure. One of the target of Dubai Metaverse strategy, currently there are 1,000 companies in the blockchain and Metaverse business. Imagine 1,000. They want them to be in 2027, 5,000 companies. That's one. They want to foster Metaverse innovation and economic contribution. They want to cultivate Metaverse talents through education and training. They want to develop use cases and applications for Dubai government and be the leader on the international front in the Metaverse as a policy. They want adoption, scaling, global advocacy for safe platforms, because safety is something of priority. And they have to build infrastructure and refine the regulations that helps it. With that, I mentioned that they want to 5 times X the number of blockchain and Metaverse companies within next 5 years. And they want to grow their non-oil digital economy GDP by 20% and create 40,000 virtual jobs. That is to add only $4 billion as far as economy GDP. So it's amazing. Now they've done it. Yes, they've done it. They are digitized as of 2021. And then if you go to UAE between different governments, because every government has its own policies, you'll find Dubai is really the most advanced in digital services for the citizen. When we talk about digital transformation, it is about citizen number one, helping and making the citizen better lives. And this is where your government in 2009 decided to do it. But I know it will eliminate it will eliminate a lot of bad
Corruption.
people trying to corruption and so on. But the problem is those corrupted will try to, as much as they can, not support the strategy. And then in the end of the day, it ends up not being done. But in the case of UAE, they have wise leaders, they have wise strategies. And now because they went too far, they are going to the moon, they're going to space. They started investing into that. They are on a way advanced level than everybody. But what I want from every one of you is to think about, from Bangladesh, how can you support that strategy? Even if you are in Bangladesh, you don't have to go to Dubai.
Sir, thank you. Actually, dear audience, today we listen on Web 3.0 and business opportunities and entrepreneurship opportunities in upcoming Web 3.0. So here, my take home is that the Dubai government, if Dubai government can do this Metaverse strategy to uplift their economic growth 5 times, 20% more, and currently there are 1,000 digital companies, IT, ICTs companies. They
blockchain
companies. So they would like to increase into 5,000 blockchain company within next couple of years. So if Dubai can do it, Bangladesh can do it. If we want, from the government, from politicians, from bureaucrats, from every angle, if we want, we can do this. So after Digital Bangladesh slogan, Digital Bangladesh implementation, our next issue or next vision could be Metaverse strategy for Bangladesh, so that we can take preparation, we can prepare our entrepreneurs, we can prepare our professionals to take a leapfrog in the Web 3.0 age. So with this hope, I would like to conclude here. Thank you very much, sir, for joining us today. And hopefully we will listen from you maybe on another day, on another topic. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy, stay connected. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you a lot for, again, opening this platform. And good luck in developing Bangladesh in a digital space.
Developing Bangladesh, your knowledge partner. We take care of trade and investment, education and skills, economic diplomacy and economic development. If you would like to keep you updated on these issues, please subscribe to Developing Bangladesh. Thank you very much for watching till the last.